A lot has happened since Ewald's trip. He has forgotten all about the island, but the island remembers him like it was yesterday. Ewald's island adventures left a huge impression on him. I have to go back. I obviously won't come empty-handed. This island and its resident deserve some gifts from my home country. He's going on an exciting journey. I wonder if she'll recognize me. Oh well, it's time to go. Oh yes, and a flower for his beautiful lady. Getting to the island is not that easy. Unfortunately, there are no boats with the route Ewald needs. But when you've got some natural charm and a little money, you can do anything. Take me to the uninhabited island. And so, Ewald is on his way to adventure. The island appears, and on the shore, it's her! A boat? To our island? It's that weird man again! Oh, is she pregnant? No, it's just a watermelon! That's a great prank! I'm so glad to be back! Remember me? The pendant, remember? No one has ever come back here of their own free will before. This is definitely destiny. A real gentleman always brings flowers. This is for you! Wow! There is no plant like this on the island yet. Hopefully, it will grow as big as this one. The soil here is very fertile. Or is it all thanks to the gardener's green thumb? Wow! You're a real pro! Sorry, but fake flowers do not grow even in the best soil. But what she doesn't know won't hurt her. If you have good company, you can have fun anywhere. I would like to keep this day in my memory forever. Let's take a picture. This is a camera. It has a lens, and pictures come from here. But so far, the only impressive thing to her is how brightly colored the box is. Sit down. I'll take your picture. Now wait, and here you are. This must be some kind of magic. And we definitely need to take a selfie together. Wow! It's hot here. Maybe we should look for a place in the shade? This cave right here is perfect. I'm thirsty. I love soda so much. A rock that makes noise? She's never seen anything like this before. Try it. Drink it. It's delicious. Spicy water. Wait, no, it's sweet. Meanwhile, the photos are finally done. Look, that's me and that's you. It seems like she also has something to brag about. Look, here's a picture of us. This is me and this is you. It looks real, right? This photo exhibition needs an upgrade. Tear off the metal tab from the soda can. So, what else do we have here? A rope, a knife, and another can. Cut the tab on one side. Attach the picture. String the pictures on the rope and decorate the wall of the cave. She loves it! You learn something new every day. Ewald's backpack is like a treasure chest. Do you want to learn about makeup? This is eyeshadow, and this is lipstick. This is what some people put on their faces for decoration. Decoration? I know everything about war paint. Not like that. The lipstick is for the lips. Lips? I can do them too. Not for me. Honestly, you are beautiful without makeup. The main downside of an island like this is that there's nothing to do. But Ewald came up with a fun activity. Tropical bowling. Just need to get some pineapples and a couple of coconuts. Make holes in the coconuts. The balls are done. Let's get ready to play. Arrange the pineapples as pins. It's simple. Put the coconut on your fingers like this. And now roll it at the pineapples. Yay! I got a strike! And now it's your turn. Well, of course. She's way stronger and more accurate than Ewald is. He could learn a thing or two from her. A little romance never hurt nobody. Now close your eyes and wait. Don't peek. It's a surprise. Dinner in the wilderness. What could be more romantic? I hope she enjoys the decorations and presentation. Our picnic will be perfect. Careful, we're almost there. Now you can open your eyes.
Wow!
Enjoy your meal. What did he do with the food? And why is he eating it with some metal thing? Cut food really is tastier. It's time for dessert. Eating a watermelon with a scoop? It's easy and so delicious. And the rind? Don't throw it away. I can make underwear out of it. Does it look good on me? Oh, why are you being so wild? Hey, I'm leading a waste-free lifestyle. Every good island has its own secrets. I wonder where these arrows lead. Ewald wanted to go on a treasure hunt anyway. But the path ends on a rock. It's okay, there's a rope. You just need to swing on it. Tie the rope tightly, grab the free end, and fly! I'm Tarzan! Now it's your turn to bungee jump. Perfect! Let's move on. We didn't finish the treasure hunt yet. When you are hiking, you have to be very careful. Otherwise, you might slip and fall. Oh gosh! These city people are so clumsy. See? You are all dirty now. She definitely doesn't like the dirt. Here's an idea. A leaky bag plus water equals a great shower. No need to thank me. Are you serious? The waterfall isn't enough for you? Why do you need a life hack like this? Use your brain. In the forest, you need to pay attention too. Hey, be careful! Someone set traps all over the forest. Getting caught is so typical for a city boy. Honestly, you are like a baby. But stop relaxing. There's still plenty of things to do and adventures to come. There's time for work and there's time for lunch. She's tasting chips for the first time. Oh, tropical rain! That was unexpected. Where can we hide? It's a good thing Ewald has raincoats. Big garbage bags, actually. Same difference, as long as we don't get soaking wet. But there's a rain accident with the toilet paper. That's unfortunate. But we have a tube of chips and a roll of dry paper. Make a cut on the tube and put the toilet paper inside. It's the perfect size. Pull the end. Easy, right? Awesome! Okay, I need to run. The arrows keep coming. Our couple is clearly near the target. I wonder if it's treasure or the fountain of youth.
Wow!
A treasure chest! We are rich! Look at all this stuff! Golden cups, jewelry! We can go back to my country and buy a huge house! There will be enough for a boat, too! Try on the jewelry. You're a real princess! But it seems like there is someone else here. Hello? Where are you? Oh no! The girl got kidnapped! Which means the Ewald's story on the island will continue. He can't leave his girlfriend when she's in trouble. Did you like our video about a mysterious island? Are you worried about the characters? What do you think will happen next? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new videos about Ewald and his tropical girlfriend on Troom Select.